Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OnePlus 13R. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Willy AI and click search, and then click install. Now you have to click open, and then click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now select the AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back and go back again. And now click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.